All right, here we go. Pro Predator 360. The winner will be taking home a Lowe Boats John Boat. Sign on the pole to be a 2H Jason Harmon out of the Osho, Missouri. On the outside, it'll be out of Hope Summit, Missouri. It'll be Chris Tegelman. Row number 2 will be a 32 with Tower Hager. On the outside of Tower Hager, out of Arkansas, it'll be Kyle Schmidt in car number 4. Row number 3, it'll be a 27E of David Eagleberger out of Roush Grove, Missouri. On the outside of car number 571, it'll be Zach McKean out of Wright, Missouri. Wright City, Missouri. Row number 4, it'll be the 45 from Fulton, Missouri, Colt Graves. On the outside, it'll be the 21X of Cody Ryder. Row number 5, it'll be the 3S of Chase Groggins. On the outside, it'll be the 57 of Jeff Roberts. And row number 6 will be the 32X of Austin Harrell. And car number 28 on the outside of row 6 out of Rogers, Missouri, it'll be Matt Serapino trio. Green flag in the air. H of Harmon out out front with the 30. Caution is out. Harmon and Segaman, your front row. Lights are off. Green flag. No start. Caution back out. Green flag in the air. Caution as a 4 Kyle Schmidt. Infield there of turn number 2. Single foul. Here we go, lights are off. Green flag in the air. Harmon, your leader count, turn number 2, down the front stretch for the turn number 3 and 4. Stiglman in second. Keeper out there on the 27 of David Eagleberger. Now he's up there in the position number 4. 32 of Hager on the inside of Stiglman there for second. Here comes Eagleberger now on the inside of Stiglman there for third. Good battle there going on for third. Now Eagleberger now in your third spot. And Stiglman falling back positions, losing ground there in the 53. But way out in front, the 2H of Jason Harmon, your leader. The 32 of Tyler Hager, second. Caution comes out. And the 45 of Cole Graves in fourth. Green flag back in the air. Eagleberger there. Off the pace there is now the 45 of Cole Graves in third. David Eagleberger off the top of turn number 2. Caution comes out. All right, lineup looks good. Has Jason Harmon still your leader, Tyler Harder in second. 45, Cole Gray's in third. Green flag back out. As caution on the speedway. As a 32. Of Austin Harrell. Up off in the turn number 2. Here we go. Lights going off. Caution. Wiping it off. As they come out of turn number 4, they'll get the 1 to go. Lights will be going off. Green flag in the air. Harmon trying to hold off the 32 of Tyler Hager. As the 50 caution comes out for a 27E, David Eagleberger. The lights are off. Going green flag. For Harmon, your leader, Hager in second. 45 of Graves in third. And 57 of Jeff Roberts in fourth. Now Jeff Roberts now in third. As the 45 of Graves spins around there on the front stretch, bringing out the caution. Green flag back out. Racing. Hummer coming out of turn number 2, your leader. Hager in second, Roberts in third, Scroggins in fourth. Now, Hager now on the inside, and here now, we got a new race leader. As Harmon now battling with Roberts there for third. Here comes Scroggins now, taking up for the second spot. As the caution comes out. As the 2H of Jason Harmon and the 57 of Jeff Roberts collected there. So 32 of Tyler Hager, your leader, Chase Scroggins in second. With 28 of Matt Sarah Trio in third. Green flag in the air. White flag in the air, 1 more lap to go. As Scroggins and Hager battling there for the lead. Coming out of turn number 4, Tyler Hagen taking the feature win. What a wild finish there. As a 32, Tyler Hager getting the Pro Predator feature win. That's what happens, I guess, when you put a boat on the line.